Greetings everyone, welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament Bible. My name is SHERRINE Williams. I'm a Methodist minister and I'll be reading one of my favorite passages. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And tune in every day at 5 o'clock for a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament Bible.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I'm going to read from Matthew 5, 1 to 12. What Jesus preached on the mountain. When Jesus, the crowd of people then, him go up on the mountain, go sit down, and him follower them come to him. Him open up his mouth and start to teach them. At this him said, all of you when no son need God in everywhere, God bless you. Cause the good thing them where God gave when him rule people life in everywhere, I will come get them. All who ball, no. God bless them. Cause the time I go come when God I go hush them and make them happy again. All who humble themselves, God bless them. Cause you see the earth, and them people there, I go come get it. Who want to do right? In a God eyesight so bad that it coming like a dead them a dead for hungry and them throat dry like they not drink water. Oh long God bless him. Cause uno I go get uno belly full. Uno will pardon people. God bless uno. Cause him a go pardon uno too. All our only want to do the same thing them want make God happy. God bless uno. Cause one day, uno I go get to see God. God bless all who help people to live in a peace. Cause people like them, the God I go call for him pick me them. The people them will make other people suffer just cause them live. Oh God want people to live. God bless you. Cause the good thing them where God give when him run people life, oh he want to run it. And them thing there, unwa forget. God bless you when people shame you. When they make you suffer. And when them say all kind of wicked thing about you when not true. But say it just cause you follow me. Make yourself happy. When them say them thing to you, jump up and down with joy in our heart. Cause no good thing put on in a heaven for you. I see him so they used to do Christ prophet. Them were the day before uno come. A God Word This. Thank you.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.